What's going on, everybody? New vlog day for the boot camp. So you already know what's going on. This is your boy the Goat, and these are there's VSOP, and there's XO, and I'm the XO of 4X, King of prize action. If you didn't know that, you are the only one in here who don't know. So guys, our day starts at the bank right now. I have a meeting with my private banker. So yeah, there's some things we gotta sort out, guys. Make sure you take care of your finances, man. No matter what it takes, make sure you take care of your finances and make sure that they good all the time. So today's session will be held around 14 on the London session. Yeah, because I'm busy right now, so I won't be able to attend or do the meeting and stuff. But if you remember in the previous episode, we actually had a drawback. And the craziest part is that the market this week is even better and far more greater. So you already know what's going on. It's your boy the Goat, and he's yes sir.
When I started trading back in 2018, I didn't know it's something you needed to learn. I didn't know that you need to be guided by a good and successful Forex trader.
The trading industry has actually changed in the past few years.
What is going on, everybody? This is your boy the Goat, and he's
It is said that trading is simple but not easy. So basically, guys, today I just wanted to give you a bit more of like information, or say advice per se. All right, so in the previous videos I dropped, I actually mentioned how losing is part of the game. This is one thing that a lot of traders get their careers messed up at. This is a point where a trader would feel like trading is just impossible. Why? Because they couldn't withstand the losses they were having in the market. So up until you master the art to take your losses as lessons, you will never crack the foundation behind what a good trader is. I don't want to lie to you. That's the reason why I said on this episode, it's only going to be advice. Because a lot of y'all are struggling with the same thing, and it's really sad when you look at it. You figure out that people are so stuck in one circle, but nobody finds it easier to leave the circle. Trading is very simple, guys, but not easy. That is the reason why we say it's more on a mental state than actually what you do with the strategy, technicals, and news fundamentals and all of that. It needs to stop here. It needs to get you to a point where you feel like you understand better. I feel like that's also one thing that makes me the best in psychology, because I came to crack some little pieces on the psychology that a lot of people are failing to actually catch. It's very simple, guys. So someone, if they had a week like that, automatically in your head you believe you are a loser. No, it doesn't work like that. Losses are part of the games. If you can't take losses, imagine how you're going to take profits. That means if you take profits, you're going to possibly be crazy. You're possibly going to be jumping all around. You're just going to be hyped up. But if you can look at it, everything is graceful. Everything is graceful, man. Like, I won't lie to you. Everything is graceful. If the trade weren't against you, it's not your fault. You applied your strategy, the trade just went against you, it doesn't mean the other trades are going to be wrong too. That is the reason why, even after taking a loss, I'm still eager. I still feel the power to take the next one, because you might doubt the next one only to find out that the next one was going to be the best one that was going to make you recover or either stop winning. It happens, guys. So I just wanted to give you some bit of advice with regarding that, to say a strategy doesn't work 100%. If it worked 100%, I believe right now I'd be owning 10 private jets. I'd be owning half of Africa. I'll be owning a portion of United States, because of thinking about my profitability. If it was 100%, I'd be far. But Forex is not 100%, guys. It's a probability game. It's a probability numbers game. You have to understand the risk in order to get the reward. You have to know how much you're willing to put on the table in order to get what you deserve. Just because you lost on a trade, it doesn't make you a bad trader. We have a lot of people that are so stuck with that mentality, and that's what we're trying to erase. It comes back to what I said recently on the media, when I said the biggest thing that people make as a mistake is believing that YouTube is the new university. Anything that can be publicized or anything that can go public, just know it is never something that can help you crack some certain thing. It can help you understand, it can help you get the light, but it would never help you get to the core roots of how to master it. It's the same thing as people who gym. I remember when I was going to the gym quite often, I came across people who are very hunched, guys, who are very big, right? I would ask them, bro, how do you get to this body? They would tell me that you need to drink a raw egg, you need to eat a lot, you need to gym hard. I would do these things, but I never get to their bodies, because nobody would ever tell you what's the secret behind getting bulk. Nobody mentioned protein shakes. Nobody had mentioned the pills that these people take. Nobody mentioned a lot of things like that these people take behind the scenes for them to get to that body. And then it made me realize that everything also that you believe it's publicized or it's actually in the platform where you can get it for free, if it has access for free, just know it will never make you crack whatever you're trying to get right. So YouTube, we are helping you to actually understand how the market makes. That's the reason why as well I made sure I vlogged this entire series of the bootcamp, because I'm trying to make sure I get you guys to understand the life of what happens when we are in a trading zone, like on the spot. That you can take wins, you can take losses, you can take losses, you can take wins. Like, it's a repetitive circle. It just happens like that. You just gotta make sure that you catch the market on the right side, and when you die on the wrong side, you don't die entirely. And I heard some comments said, because I was risking and whatever. There's what we call a low risk, there's what we call a medium risk, and there's what we call a high risk. Most of my trades range in between low risk and medium risk. Medium risk is risking, but not risking to blow. It's risky to take a trade like that, but it still puts you on a safe side. You understand? Low risk is actually no risk included. Even if you lose, you still know you're safe. So it's something like that, guys. You need to notice these small portions of things in order to make sure that you crack your entire trading. It's very much simple, guys. I told you I took 8 months to master my trading craft, so you can too. So for those people who want to join our mentorship and guidance only, there'll be a link on the description. For you that need pro trading foundation, it will be there on the link too. Foundation is actually quite simple. So you go on the internet and you type Providence FX, right? Then after you type out Providence FX, it's gonna show you all of these, right? Scroll down. You would see anything you need possibly to validate us.
but as yet we haven't gotten a Google verification of our office because we are still in the process for the taking time to actually approve our application. So, but it's gonna come very soon. So definitely. So you get here, there it is. Click there, FX PTY Ltd. And then you're gonna get the course right there, or to say the Pro Trading Foundation right there. You can already see, guys, that we have a total of 4.5 stars. This means we actually do our job quite well. Our YouTube is here, our Facebook is there, and we have 28 reviews, and then we have everything right there. So you just tap into it and actually purchase your trading foundation. Then you're gonna be good for thing. It's actually quite simple. Even if you don't get it, just come here, type Providence, type Providence FX. There is first stop, that's it, Providence FX Pro Trading Course. Then you can see the price over here. It's actually affordable. And then everything is included right there. So you can see timely preparation for your future eventuality, the simplicity of Forex trading. I feel like if y'all know me that much, you know how I actually simplify and make trading be. So make sure you get yourself one and actually join the family.
The link too. And trust me, you see how you all believe I make Forex simple? Tap into the Providence side, you'll see the greatest success. And also shout out also for IV4X Markets for sponsoring this bootcamp and making sure it becomes a success in everything. If you want to use IV4X as a broker, the link will be on my description, guys. It's MetaTrader 5, it's advanced and it's international. So let's trade together. That's what I could say. And make sure you tap in. It's licensed. If you can go to the website, you'll find everything right there, up the spot. It's there. And then all you gotta do is just to click the link on my description, register, get to account funded. Let's make money. Money first, funny shit later. This is Code Andy, your Providence mentor. You already know what's going on. There's VS, there's VSOP, there's XO, and I'm the XO Forex Trading. If you didn't know that, you are the only one here who don't know.